everyone, this is Michelle from the design team, and I am here for the Sleepy Seas card kit. We will be making 4 cards together today. So let me dig right in and show you what we have. I've already prepped some things, and by now you already know what's in the kit, all the goodies that are there. So we're going to start out with our first card here. These are all A2 sized cards. So 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I cut out a panel of that really pretty light blue color cardstock that was in the kit. And I stamped it with that great looking, I love the wave that is in the stamp set. So I don't know if you can kind of see, yeah, right there, maybe you can kind of see that really pretty whoosh. That is in tumbled glass, Distress Oxide tumbled glass ink. And then Smooth Sailing Sweet Friend is a sentiment I picked out of the set. And then I took some of the patterned paper from the 6x6 paper pad, which is so pretty. I love everything in there, and die cut it so it would have this really great edge to kind of look like a wave, and that is the lattice border die. So in this set you get one that's straight and one that has like a wave to it. So I used that, and let's glue that down. That's going to go right over part of the wave that we stamped. And then I have the sentiment, Let Worries Drift. I used the doily die. Let me find it here so I can show you. Doily layering dies. So the smallest one I used so I could stamp the sentiment. I cut out, or die cut, the anchor out of the like graphite glitter paper that was in the add-on for the paper add-on. So that turned out really pretty. I have the whale and another wave from the ephemera pack. So let's position all of this. Let's see here. Excuse me. We're going to do something like this. So let's see here. I think I'm going to sneeze. Oh my gosh, I'm back. Sorry, I had to shut off the camera. It's allergy season here. And I had a little sneeze and then a cough and all of that. All right. So we have glued on the little wave, and we're going to put our whale on there, and I want it to go like this. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue across the doily. Glue the whale. And we're going to put the anchor like that. So let's glue this down. Kind of with that tail up in the air, like when you see them coming out of the ocean. And you see that tail pop up. And then let's put some glue on this little anchor. There we go. And we're just going to kind of put that at an angle. And there's our first card. All right. Our second card, what I did with this one is this little wave actually was the piece that was left over from the top of this one. And so I die cut again with that same lattice border. This time I die cut the steering wheel for the boat. We have kind of like a night sky And then we're going to do the powder blue or light blue again. And we have a sailboat. And then I just used my paper trimmer and a corner rounder to do this one right here for the Sending Calm Across the Waves sentiment. So let's glue that together. The blues in this kit are just so pretty. I love it. So just center that. And glue this on. I'm always amazed at how many cards you can make with one of these kits. There's just so much in there. Okay. And then we're going to take our little wave and glue that down. Now you could pop this up on a foam square if you wanted to. That would look really cool. I'm just going to keep it a little flatter so it's a little bit easier to mail. But if you wanted to put the foam underneath it, you totally could. And then we'll put our boat, and we're going to put this behind our sentiment. I'm going to put it at an angle. So it's sailing through the wave. Let's see here. I'm going to put just a little glue right on this and attach it, and then we'll put the glue to hold the whole thing on. And it'll go right up here at the top. And there we go. There is our second card. All right, so next up, I wanted to do a floral because there are some really beautiful florals in this kit. So if you're not into the ocean theme, the florals are just amazing. And I did die cut this right here. It is the Autumn Breeze Flourish. And I die cut that out of this metallic blue that's in the add-on kit. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Okay. So let's glue our panels down. This was my favorite floral cluster in the kit. I love that. That is so beautiful. And I used the blue cardstock that came in the kit to create this back panel, so you have a little bit of a border. Okay, there we go. And then I want it to go this way, I think. And this is going to go underneath it, kind of coming out with our sentiment. So I'm going to add some glue to kind of hold that where I want it. And then we'll put some glue over the whole thing. And you just need a few little dots here and there to kind of hold this down. I love this autumn flourish. I mean, I know it says autumn, but I feel like it just goes with everything, no matter what time of year it is. Put a little more glue right there. And right here. Then I'm going to take the sentiment. Now I did die cut. Let me show you. It's the stitched label die set. So I did die cut one of those for the sentiment, and it's sending all my love across the ocean. And that's gonna go, let's see, I think right here. And we'll let this, let me glue this down so that curls up over it. And then in our kit were these really cute little black bows. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue there. And put that on. And then so we have that cute little bow. And there's our third card. So just a nice floral. So it doesn't even have to be all about the sea or the boats or whatever. Okay, last card we're doing, because we're only doing 4. So again, I used that doily, layering doily die. So this is the center one, the medium size. And I use the same Sending All My Love Across the Ocean from the stamp set. I have a little collection of ephemera that we're going to layer up. And again, that kind of royal blue for a frame panel. So let's center this. And let's get that on the card base. There we go. And then my idea is to put the doily, and here's like the miniature of that other spray that I used, and we'll do some layering around this. So let's get this glued down first. I'm going to glue it off center to allow enough space for everything. Make sure the sentiment is kind of straight there. And I think we're going to go with this one first. Get that kind of tucked in there by the sentiment, but don't cover it up. And we'll have to put that like just a little bit lower. I kind of want it angled, like, you know, maybe it's got some rough seas there. And I was thinking to put that, and maybe put the, actually, let's put the gold up there. We need to tuck in a seashell. So let's do the seashell first. I'm going to put this across and layer in those other two. Let's see. Yeah, let's put it kind of over a little bit. We can put that one right there. And I have this blue starfish. Let's see, do we want to do both at the top? Yeah, let's do it this way. Let's do one at the top. And we'll put this gold one, gold star, right here. Okay. So that is our 4th card. So here we go. Having the ephemera and the pattern paper just makes card making so quick and easy. And there we go. There's all of them. I think they turned out really cute. I love this kit. The colors are so pretty. So I will have down below a link to Love from Lizzie, so you can check it out if you haven't seen it yet. But definitely check out the kit and all the special add-ons that she has. It's a really great collection. All right, thanks for spending some time with me. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.